So we left off on D yesterday. Probability that if you roll 2 dice, you would get a sum of 7 or a sum of 8. So let's see, what adds up to, well, we already knew what adds up to 8. That was 5 out of 36, right? These possibilities right here that we did yesterday. And then 7 would be 2, 5, 5, 2, 1, 6, 6, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3. Did you guys get anything else? Okay, so did you get 6 out of 36 for this one?
Oh, I did mine different.
What'd you do?
Yeah, I did like 12, like if you put 2 dice together.
I don't even know what I was doing.
But I don't really know what numbers to put on the top side of it.
12 if you put 2 dice together. What do you mean by that?
Well, 'cause like you roll 2 dice, you get some 7 or 8, some guys did like 12.
What do you mean out of the 12?
Well, 'cause like before you would do like on like example 2B,
Uh-huh.
8, that's like 3 out of 6, and then like out of 12. Cause there's 2 dice.
I see. Yeah, no, this was more like, do you remember when we did the lying game and we had that huge grid of like all the different possibilities?
Yeah.
Right, so these are the possibilities that add up to 7, and there are 6 of them. So change that one to 6. Now, is there a chance that something could add up to 7 and add up to 8 at the same time? 2 dice? Yeah, you can't. This is a tired morning, guys. Everybody's making faces right now. For those of you watching, everybody's making faces like, 2 numbers that add up to 7 and add up to 8. Huh. Nope, there's no such thing, guys. That's just, there's no overlap there. You had some good thinking faces on, though. So added together is 11 out of 36. All right. Flipping over to the backside, this is actually pretty accurate as far as what people's blood types are. Anybody know their blood type? I'm surprised you don't. Do you give blood usually in the blood drive or no? Okay, just run it.
Needles are scary.
You don't think you know your blood type?
No, I know what it is.
Oh, what is it?
It's I don't know if it's positive or negative.
Oh, okay.
I know what it is.
You know half of it? What?
I don't know why I know what my dad's is, but I don't know what mine is.
What's your dad's?
Oh, negative.
Oh, negative? With both your parents are negative, that means that you can't be positive because they couldn't have passed it on to you. I'm A positive. If you are O positive, that means that you can, no wait. O negative means that these people right here, these people are called the universal donors. They can give to anyone. Because O blood can be accepted by anyone, and negative blood can be accepted by negatives and positives. You can't give positive blood to a negative person. And AB positive, this right here, these are the universal receivers. That means that they could get blood from anyone without it being tested first. If you have AB blood has characteristics of A blood and B blood, but is not just like a mix of the two. So if somebody with A blood gave to somebody who had AB blood, that would still be okay. All right, find the probability that the owner has type O or type A blood. So it's or, so we're gonna add stuff and then subtract the overlap. So type O blood. How many people in here have type O blood in this? 184 out of how many?
409.
409. And how many have type A blood?
164.
Mm-hmm. And can you have O blood and A blood at the same time? No. So there's no overlap. Go get a calculator if you don't have one.
I think I have
Oh, and minus, we got
348 out of 409, and if you divide those two, you end up with 0.851.
Do you want us to do decimals for our homework?
I think it'd be easiest, yeah. Because you either have to do decimals or you have to reduce your fraction as far as it'll go, and reducing some of these large fractions are just annoying, so it's easiest just to do decimals. Okay, find the probability that the donor has type B blood or is Rh negative. So the or part means that we're gonna add and then subtract. This is B blood and Rh negative, and this is the overlap.
B blood, 45.
Out of 409. And how many people have Rh negative blood? 65 out of 409. And is there any overlap? Are there any people who have B blood and are Rh negative? 8, because those people, if you think about it, if you look up at this, look up, they got, nope, that's not a highlighter. That's, okay. So B blood is right here, and then negative blood is right there. Do you see how where they cross that 8 got counted twice just now? So that's why we have to subtract it. So 45 plus 65 minus 8. It's 102 out of 409. Which is about 0.249. 24.9%. All right, your turn with you and your partner to do the last two.